Anthony, are you ready for it? Yes. Let's get our balls. Oh, yay! I'm 25 again. You need to look at where the ball is going. You have to look at where the ball is going. No. Double A Kids. Hi everyone. Welcome to Double A Kids. I'm Anthony. I'm Ariel. Today we are going to make a pinball machine from Home Depot. Let's get our things. Let's build. We read the instructions firstly. We need to prepare all tools, include a hammer, screwdriver, and paint. These are all materials provided in the packet. We usually do the painting at the very end of our project. Since today we make the project at home, we paint all the wood boards first this time. We assemble the boards the next day when they are dry. Ariel's favorite color is pink. Anthony's favorite color is blue. We paint the boards in our favorite colors. Now all the boards are dry. It's the screwdriver time! Anthony, you are doing a great job. Thank you. Slide. There. E. I can help you. It's squeaky. Let's speed up. 加快速度。Now that we are finished with our project, we got a little project pin. Now let's play our pinball machine. Look. 25%. Thank you for watching.